day 5 of that chemical plume spewing into the air in Conyers. Officials say they are working around the clock after the chemical fire at a bio lab sent chlorine and other acids into the air. Fox 5's Eric Perry is live near the site. So, Eric, what are you learning today?
Yeah, Alex, chlorine and hydrochloric acid into the atmosphere driving down I-20. You saw signs posted telling drivers and those on the road to roll their windows up as you were going into that fog there. Take a look behind me. So yesterday it was up high. A couple of minutes ago, that smoke was like a fog throughout this area here, really depending on the weather and the wind in which direction it will go. Now, earlier there, again, this has been going on since Sunday. The colors of the smoke has changed from that thick, dark black smoke we saw in the first couple of days there to now it's a white cloud of smoke. I was out here yesterday at times. It was a very thick, yellowish smoke as well. This morning, while Governor Kemp was addressing Hurricane Helene and those efforts, he had to take a moment to acknowledge this other big incident happening in the state. Take a listen as there's a fear and a worry that the wind will carry some of this toxic and chemical cloud into the city of Atlanta. Take a listen.
Department of Public Health is in coordination with GEMA and the Environmental Protection Agency, and we'll continue to monitor air quality levels as weather patterns change throughout the Atlanta metro area. As haze shifts toward the city, I know Mayor Dickens has urged residents to stay cautious, take precautions, and limit their outdoor activity till noon today.
And I did talk with a representative from the mayor's office. I'm told that the mayor is up to date and he's working with his team with air quality control there. Again, this could pose, they say it poses no risk to the average person, but those with pre-existing conditions, especially anything respiratory, there are some tips coming from GEMA there. They say to limit outside activity, keep indoor air clean. So that means if you're like in the car, make sure that air is circulating from within and not pulling from outside there. Asthma and lung patients follow doctor's orders. If you're immunocompromised, stay inside. And the Georgia Poison Control Center, if you feel any incidents or any thing from this, you can reach out to them at the number listed there. Now, as of right now, from Rockdale County officials, there are no press conferences or updates that's being given. We've reached out to the county. We've reached out to the fire department, as many of you asking us questions. We're asking them as well. So far, no word back just yet, but the fumes are still very strong here and the cloud is still emitting into the air. In Rockdale County, I'm Eric Perry, Fox 5 News.